Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the exact Google account you'll use for the meeting, because Meet links attach to accounts. Once signed in, open Google Calendar and create a new event at your chosen date and time. Make sure to name the event clearly, then click Add Google Meet Conferencing. This generates the only official Meet link tied to the event. Don't skip setting time zone correctly, because participants might join at the wrong moment. Once the Meet link appears, add guest emails so invitations distribute automatically. You control guest permissions under Guest Permissions, for example, allow or block joining before host. Attach an agenda or files to keep the session focused, and set calendar reminders so people receive notifications. After configuring visibility and conferencing options, copy the Meet link to confirm it's correct. Make sure the event's calendar finalize by sending the event invites and confirming attendee acceptance, because a Meet link only resolves reliably when guests have the event in their calendar. When it's time, start the meeting from the calendar event or paste the link into Meet. Google.com. Use the Join button to launch with camera and mic permissions enabled. If participants report a broken link, recreate the calendar event to generate a fresh Meet link, or verify that you used the correct Google account and sharing settings. That fixes
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.